So here we are just running a few stainless steel samples. I already did one at 6 feet a minute. Very low pressure. I increased the pressure a little bit. So right now we are a little bit in the conveyor belt. But there you can see basically it go in. We are doing these samples on the DC, which is a combination between a white belt sander and the cross belt. But we are right now only using the cross belt. We have the white belt turned off so that we are simulating a DM1100C just with the cross belt. Then of course you have the logo for the conveyor belt next to it. And here your part comes out. You see the white line for the radius. We have good temperature in the part, maybe a little bit too much. So that's at 6 feet a minute. We're going to speed that up to 10 feet a minute so that you can see it. But this is a non-burr side. This is a burr side that we did. So we need to do the burr side here as well, which is actually this side. This is the burr side. So we are going to speed this up. I'm going to make the conveyor belt a little bit lighter by 2/10, and we are going to speed this up to about 10 feet a minute, 8 to 10 feet a minute. Okay, off we go. And then I'm being cameraman and operator at the same time. I need to find the Sharpie so that we can write which one is which. So here we go. That's 10 feet a minute and a little bit less pressure. That temperature is way better. So that would still work really, really well for you. Maybe, I mean, compared to what happened at this customer before, these are super round edges. So this is about 10 feet per minute and a medium press, right? And that was 6 feet a minute and a plus press. So, and we're gonna run that very 10 feet a minute plus press on the other side. You can see how it holds a small pipe, no problem whatsoever. And what we're going to do is we're going to feed in right away here one of these rounds from the burr side, and this is the same round with the non-burr side. Materials. I'm going to run a thinner gauge part for you here. This is the burr side. You can see the white line. That's the radius of the part. And that is the part from the non-burr side. So these are all 10 feet per minute, 10 feet per minute, and that was 6 feet per minute. And now on this, so this is, we have both sides on this part left and this. And what I want to demonstrate to you what happens when you go really slow. So we're going to bring that way down on the conveyor belt. You see how slow it moves now, which is going to be too slow for you, I understand that. But right now I'm going to accelerate it a little bit and then slow it down again. So underneath the white belt we were just skipping fast and then going into the brushes slow. here, you almost have to peel them off. Those small parts are not. So here you're going to see significant more radius. This is about 3 to 4 feet per minute. Yeah, that's about 4 feet per minute. Well, and that concludes our business here. Thank you very much. We're going to turn this off. And we are going to bring the brushes up. And the table was sitting at 3mm material thickness. This makes the brush pressure. This makes the material thickness. Very simple hand crank, super fast. Other than that, it's just on and off for the 3 working elements and then a potentiometer each to control the speed. Very, very simple. That's what this machine is about. Thank you.